Hi, we're going to do a real quick tour of how to use CamScanner, which is a great app if you have the need for JPEGs or PDFs that are multiple pages, okay? Free version is totally fine. So if I click into this, you're going to see a bunch of clutter here, but really what I need if I'm going to scan something is just this little camera down here, okay? So if I click on that, now I can scan my page. It says chemistry. All right, and you'll see that it crops it already for you. So if you come down bottom right corner, hit next, it'll change the lighting and everything. All right, hit check in the bottom right corner. Now let's say you have a few pages, you're turning in a lab report or something. To add more pages, you want to go back to the bottom right corner, green light, okay, chemistry. Here's my second page, is. Okay, so green button. Take that picture. Next, bottom right, crops it, fixes the lighting, and let's do one more. Okay, I have really high-tech stuff to scan here. So take a picture of it, next, fixes the lighting, and then bottom right, we're going to say check. Okay, so if I'm happy with that, then I'm ready to save this. Okay, you have two different ways you can save it. You can use this PDF button or the share button. Okay, so I'm going to try the PDF first. All right, if I need to, I can go down here to the bottom to this compress. And if your file is large, this will help you compress it down to a megabyte or so. Okay, if it's good, then I can just tap share on the top right. And this is where you would go over here into your Google Drive, okay? But we're not going to do that. Here's the other way that you can share it. Use your little share icon. And the cool thing about this is it lets you share it in two different ways, as a PDF or as a JPEG. So especially if you have an iPhone and you're taking pictures in the HEIC format, this is one way of many to have a JPEG format for your pictures, okay? So again, share PDF, it looks just like the other one did. You can click into share, and then you've got your Google Drive, or you can email it to yourself or text it to yourself or whatever, all right? And you don't have to store files in CamScanner. You can see I've got some recent docs here. You can also change the names of them. But as long as things are going into your cloud storage like Google Drive, then you're good to go. All right, so let me know if you have questions on that, or talk to each other or the Student Tech Help Desk.